TCS Wings 1 November 2024 results are out. So the question is, when will official mail will come and when will our CTC will change from Ninja to digital or digital to innovator? Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Nazi Tech Study. So in this video we are discussing Wings 1 November 2024 results about. So actually results are released 17th January 2025. So next question is, most of the associates are commenting where I can check my exam results. So you can check your exam results at iWall. So I will show you how to check. So go to iWall Learner. Click on My Learnings and click on Completed One. So if you are completed your core full stack tracks, if you are completed any of the business skill or articulation like that, so that things are reflect here. And then check the dashboard. So if you are dashboard is also updated most of the associates, so check your dashboard also. Okay, when will dashboard will update? It will update very soon. So most of the associates has updated their dashboard. So how to check dashboard is simple. First go to iWall and then click on dashboard and then click on dashboard, then your dashboard will appear, your Wings 1 journey will appear. So what is the pass or distinction criteria? So pass is like for articulation 50 percentile and distinction 70 percentile. About results we have discussed when will digital or innovator clearance official mail will come. So the mail will come in this month or February first week. When will my package update from Ninja to digital or digital to innovator? So your package will be this month only. So most of the time this month only, or the new package will be affected from February also. November 2024 cycle I am not eligible due to band or rating issue. Will I eligible for next cycle May 2025? Yeah, if you get if you manage to get 4 rating or B band, then you are eligible for May 2025 Wings 1. So if you have any other doubts, comment in the comment box. So I have other videos also. If you have any doubts related to results, so if you have any doubts related to results, click on this link. The link is in the description. So book a session with me. Wings 1 related doubts or queries. If you want a 3 months or 6 months guidance, complete guidance or coaching, purchase this one. So I will connect you personally and coach you in order to get Wings 1 digital or innovator roles. So total 24 bookings are happened till now. So I have got amazing replies, good talking to you, have a good knowledge, cleared all the doubts. Nazir is a very friendly person, excellent knowledge and about. Thank you. Who's off cozy? So loved the session. Thank you. So like that 24 bookings are 24 people connected with me and given good ratings. So try if you have any doubts or if you want 3 months coaching, then must check out this one, must purchase this one. So coming to other things, if you are planning to crack Wings 1 May 2025, then check out this articulation video and check out this playlist also, like TCS Wings 1. So this Wings 1 I have totally made 19 videos. So how to crack, for what percentage, so for what expense, what will be the package, like that things are discussed in this video. Amazing video. And how to crack Wings 1 articulation mandatory track. So and other most useful videos like a T4, like that business skill also discussed in this series. So in the upcoming video I will release part 2 of the current articulation video, this one. So most of the people are asked part 2 for this articulation preparation strategy May 2025 cycle. Part 2 will come very soon. If you want to support our channel or get amazing perks from me, click on join button and support or take the perks from me, which is important for the Wings 1 exams. So thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe and share. We shall meet in another super latest video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.